Yes, good morning to all of you. Myself, Mahesh Jagdish Pingle, lecturer Electronics Engineering, Government Polytechnic Ambad. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss the next point in the chapter called as wave propagation. So, in our previous lecture, we discussed about the things related with basic concept of wave propagation topic. Similarly, we discussed about the TEM kind of wave, nature of electric field and magnetic field. Also, we discussed about the polarization of the EM wave. Now, in this particular lecture, we are going to discuss the different types of wave propagation. So, what are the different types of wave propagation taking place in the wireless type of communication? Now, as all of we know that, suppose if we are having one transmitter, there should be a transmitting antenna if we are using a wireless type of communication, right, or unguided type of communication. Now, whatever the information which we want from the transmitter, it will be radiated by the antenna, right. So, transmitting antenna is a transducer which converts AC current fed to this antenna to the electromagnetic field or the RF waves, radio frequency waves. Now, these RF radio frequency waves will be collected with the help of receiving antenna and then it is given to the receiver. Now, when the electromagnetic field is radiated by the antenna or it is escaped from the transmitting antenna, this particular EM field takes three different paths, and that three different paths are nothing but the different types of wave propagation. If this particular radiated electromagnetic field is propagated along the surface of the earth, then it is called as the ground wave propagation. If this particular radiated electromagnetic field is transmitted towards the ionosphere and then reflected back, then it is called as the sky wave type of propagation. And when the radiated signal is radiated from the antenna, that is transmitter, to the receiver and propagates to the receiver in a straight line, then it is called as the space wave type of communication. So, basically wave propagation itself gets classified into three categories: ground wave communication, sky wave communication, and the space wave communication. So, I will repeat once again the 3 points. Ground wave communication, it will be takes place along the surface of the earth. Sky wave communication itself, it is done up to the layer called ionosphere and the rays reflect back. And in space wave communication, it is done within transmitter to the receiver in a straight line, right. Now, all these three communication categories are divided depending on the frequency range. Now, the ground wave communication which is taking place along the surface of the earth are lying within the frequency range 30 kilohertz to 3 megahertz. Meaning is that ground wave communication, it is best suitable for the frequency range 30 kilohertz to 3 megahertz. So, whatever the signal which we want to send from transmitter to the receiver, this will be satisfactorily communicated within this particular frequency range 30 kilohertz to 3 megahertz. So, we can say that ground wave propagation, it is best suitable within the frequency 30 kilohertz to 3 megahertz. If we want to take the application of ground wave propagation, so the ground wave propagation is best suitably used for the medium wave band in radio communication. So, whatever the MW band, that MW band lies within the range 30 kilohertz to 3 megahertz, which is used in radio receiver. Now, the next type of communication, that is called as the sky wave communication. this particular skywave communication, it is best suitable within the frequency range 3 megahertz to 30 megahertz. So skywave propagation frequency range is 3 megahertz up to 30 megahertz. Now this particular band, it is nothing but the short wave band. In radio broadcasting, it is used. So for medium wave, we are using ground wave propagation. For the short wave, we are using the sky wave propagation. Now the space wave communication, it is nothing but having a frequency above 30 megahertz. So whatever the communication we want to do above 30 megahertz frequency, that 30 megahertz frequency communication, it is always done with the help of space wave, and it is also called as line of sight communication. Now such a kind of line of sight communication, it is nothing but used for television. So it is used for television as well as FM transmission, right? So whatever the frequency modulation transmission, FM radio Mirchi you are listening, it is nothing but your space wave type of communication. Now in this particular chapter, we are going to discuss in detail the ground wave communication, sky wave communication, space wave communication, that is called as the line of sight communication. Now line of sight communication itself, it is nothing but whatever the transmitted signal from the antenna, it will be propagated in straight line and it will be directly collected with the receiver. So if we want to just draw a diagram of line of sight communication, so suppose this is your transmitting antenna. So suppose I will use such a kind of transmitting antenna. So if it is transmitting antenna, and suppose this is your receiving antenna, right? So whatever the communication itself, it is done in a straight line from transmitter to the receiver. So transmitter to the receiver, the communication done within a straight line. So this is called as line of sight communication, or it is also called as space wave communication, right? Similarly, if we want to discuss about the sky wave propagation, so as all of we know that suppose this is your earth surface. So it is earth, and this particular earth has some layers of atmosphere outside. So suppose this is earth and these are nothing but some atmospheric layers. So MST layers are there, that is mesosphere, stratosphere, troposphere layers are there. So suppose I have drawn here the layer ionosphere here, and if the signal is transmitted from the earth surface, it will reach to the ionosphere, and from ionosphere, if the signal gets reflected back towards the earth surface, such a kind of communication, it is called as the sky wave type of communication. So in this particular chapter, we are going to discuss the different communication types, its application, and the comparison between the different communication. So for meanwhile, we will stop here. In our next lecture, we are going to discuss the ground wave communication. So thank you very much.